Well, hello, William. Williams, Philippines. We just had an earthquake. I don't know how big, but Cebu was shaking. Uh, my clock came off the wall. The glass is on the floor. I still need to take and clean that up. There's mud plaster off the ceiling over there. Yeah, very interesting night. I was sitting here doing the numbers on my month to figure out how much I've actually spent and on what. So yeah, let's see. Such a fun one. The month has been. I don't know. I've missed letting y'all know. I ended up going to the doctor. Apparently, the all the walking caused a breakout along my leg on my lower ends, and wondering what it was. Thought it might be a rash. Went to the doctor on Friday, and boy, spent a bunch of money, and went back to get some tests done on Saturday. They have doctors that show up on Saturday regularly because I go back for a vein scan for my legs on next this coming Saturday. So yeah, uh, let's see. Medical was about 28,000, 29,000 pesos, which wasn't expected. Wasn't part of my normal budget. I'll get that exact number eventually here. Uh, then I had the rent and electric, and that was 20,000. And then all told, I ended up spending, what was it, 41,000 basically. So I'm a bit over on my normal budget of that. It is what it is. But yeah, the medical wasn't expected. So yeah, that was kind of a hit I wasn't planning on. But yeah, we just had an earthquake in Cebu. Uh, I'm in Mandawi, so part of Cebu. I don't know what all the deal is. All I know is, boy, was it shaking and was it baking? Uh, felt more like was going east to west instead of uh, east east to west. What? I don't know. Felt more like it was going this way, less this way, but some things came off the walls anyway. Uh, yeah. That was the first earthquake I've been in a while, or that I noticed. And I noticed this. Uh, yeah, interesting. Anyway, I was gonna break down some more of the stuff here on my budget, but yeah, kind of distracted on that. Anyway, William, William Philippines. I hope you've had a blessed day. Sorry I haven't got back with you. Been doing more going to the doctor things. Let's see. We're just going to round that up to 30,000 pesos. At 56 pesos, my monthly 41,000 comes to 730. So, yeah. I'll come back to that one. And then 29. Oh shit! It feels like it trying it again. Something shaking. 510 on the medical. Is that right? Yeah, $517 on my medical. Wasn't exactly planning on it, but yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, things are a little interesting right now. Y'all have a good day and blessings. William Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. I'm questioning whether I want to sleep in here tonight or not. Maybe the porch might be a good idea. I don't know. The patio. But it's a floor up, so I don't know. Anyway, y'all have a good day and blessings. William Williams, Philippines. Later. Bye bye. Fish out.